Coinbase wallet app tutorial. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Coinbase wallet app on your mobile and what are some features of that app. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go onto your Play Store and install the app. Let me show you how. So open your Play Store and type in Coinbase wallet like this, and when you type that in, you're going to access two wallets. One is Coinbase buy Bitcoin and Ether, and the other is Coinbase wallet NFTs and crypto. So you have to download the first one. You have to install the first one, which says Coinbase wallet NFTs and crypto, and not the other one, because this is not a wallet app. This is how from where you can buy Bitcoin and Ether. So you have to open that up and you have to install it. I have already installed it, that's why it's asking me to open the app. So let's get into it. So when you install the app successfully, just open your app, and this is how it's gonna show itself. And then you're gonna click on create new wallet, or if you already have a wallet, then you can click on that option. I'm going to create a new wallet for myself right now. So your secret recovery phase is used to recover your crypto if you lose your phone or switch to a different wallet. Save these 12 words in a secure location such as password manager and never share them with anyone. So this is basically a code that is going to back up your wallet, that is going to access your wallet in case you want to move your wallet from one place to another, or you want to switch your phone or something. So you have to copy these, and then you have to paste them somewhere that is safe, that anyone else cannot access, and only you have on your you can only access that. So let me just quickly go on and save it, and then you can move ahead. Backup on my Google Drive. You can back up on the Google Drive, or if you are using it in iPhone, then you can basically back up on your iCloud as well, or you can back up manually. Let me just say I backed up manually. Okay, so now here you can see that protect your wallet. This extra layer of security helps prevent someone with your phone from accessing your funds. So you can use your fingerprint to access your wallet, or you can create a passcode. I'm just going to use my fingerprint right now, and now I'm just going to wait a second, let me get the fingerprint right here. Okay, so this is good. Now claim your free username, remembering your wallet address and etc. So I'm just going to claim my free username, whatever the wallet has created for me. Pick your name. I'm just going to type in. Okay, so this one's available, so I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to type all of these and allow anyone to search for the username, subdomain terms, and claim my username. Okay, this is good. You claimed your username. This is me, and I'm just going to click on done, and I'm going to access my wallet. Finally, I've generated a new wallet on Coinbase wallet app. So let's get into it. Okay, so here you can see that this is the main page of the wallet, and you can see I don't have add crypto to get started. I don't have any crypto right now. I cannot access the NFTs right here, and there is a DeFi as well. So you have to basically add some kind of crypto into your wallet to get started with all of these. So I'm just gonna go on and see there are some couple of options right here. You have buy, you have swap, you have bridge, send, and receive. So let's go on and check the buy. For if you want to buy your crypto, you can successfully buy your crypto into your wallet directly, buy or transfer from Coinbase. Coinbase is a separate service that lets you buy crypto, connect, or sign up for any account right now. So now you can connect your other accounts with Coinbase, and you can sign in with your other wallets, and you can basically transfer your money directly from your bank account into your Coinbase wallet, and you can make a transfer, and then you can go on and convert it into your own. Like for example, sign into your Coinbase account to authorize Coinbase wallet. You have a Coinbase account, you can access that, you can sign in and everything, and you have your bank details right there. You can successfully just go on and make a transaction from your bank directly into your Coinbase and top it up and use that money to buy crypto, to swap or change, or whatever you want to do with it. So let's go back. Now there is another option which says swap. In the swap option, you can swap your existing tokens with other tokens of your own choice. So swap first, fund your wallet, connect your Coinbase account to buy or transfer crypto. Okay, add account. Okay, if you have Bitcoin in your account and you want to swap them with Ethereum, so you can just go on and click on the swap, and you can type in how many Bitcoin you want to change into Ethereum, type in the amount, choose your token that you want and that you have your crypto in, and then you can choose the token that you want to swap it in, and then you can basically make a swap, and it is going to change Bitcoin into Ethereum. They can be into your and send it back into your wallet, and depending upon the rate of that specific token that is going on at the time of the dealing, you're going to get your Ethereum into your account. So there is an option to bridge as well. To bridge, first from your wallet, connect your Coinbase account to buy or transfer crypto. What you can do is basically you can bridge your one token to another token as well. Like for example, if you are using Ethereum Minute, you can change it to Matic if you want to, and you can make a bridge between them, and you can use your Ethereum Minute as regarding as Matic, and you can basically go on and buy NFTs if you want to. Like for example, if you want to buy an NFT and it is being sold in Matic, and you cannot, and you have Ethereum Minute blockchain, that you can make a bridge and you can buy your Matic NFT from this NFT marketplace, and you can do that while having Ethereum Minute. So the next one is basically send. You can send your Ethereum or you can send your crypto to anyone that you want. What you have to do is you have to get your ID, you have to get their their details and add them, and you can send them any amount of crypto that you want from your wallet. And you can also receive crypto from others' wallet as well. For example, your Ethereum address, receive your crypto. What you need to do is basically your Ethereum address is this, your Solana address is this, your Bitcoin address is this, and there are other assets as well that you have Dogecoin and Litecoin as well. So you can give the other person the addresses that they want to, depending on what the blockchain that they want to send you. Like for example, if they want to send you Bitcoin, then you have to give them the address of the Bitcoin, and your username is this. Just copy that and give it to the person that you want to receive the crypto from, and they can make an exchange, they can make a transfer to your account. The next thing is, if you see right down here, you have your assets, then you have your transactions you are going to make through your wallet are going to be here. Then you have browse. You can browse around your what's happening in crypto world, what is happening with different tokens. You can browse all the news right here, like collect, swap, earn, manage, play, and connect. All of these top dApps are here. And then you have explore. You can explore what's going on in the marketplace. Like you can see that Ethereum is going down right now, and Bitcoin is also going down, so you can check the insights right here. And then you have settings of your wallet right here. So this is a basic overview of what Coinbase wallet holds and how you can use it up to your own good and up to your own use. So go on, install it, and start using it, because it's an amazing wallet that you can use, and it holds everything that a wallet should. And the privacy content and the privacy and security of this wallet is amazing. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.